Step to building a non-load-bearing wall is determining and marking its location. Use a chalk line to ensure a perfectly straight layout line. Where the new wall will intersect existing walls, you'll need to either remove or notch the baseboards and crown molding. If you notch it as we did here, don't forget to allow a 1/2 inch for drywall on either side of the stud. We're building our wall directly on top of the existing hardwood floor, so we're applying construction adhesive before we put down the base plate. It's okay to build over a hard surface like this, but if your room has carpet, you'll probably want to remove it first. Next, use screws or nails to secure the base plate to the floor along the layout line. The top plate should go directly above the base, so use leveled studs on either end to position and support it while you nail it to the ceiling joist above. Then a second top plate goes directly beneath the first. This prevents the first one from sagging and provides additional surface to nail up crown molding later on. We're putting 2 studs connected with blocking near the middle of the wall where a second new wall will intersect the first. This will allow the 2 walls to be securely fastened at that T. Now you can fill in the rest of the studs. Because these are properly marked, we don't have to use a level to plumb every stud. Constructing the wall this way means all of the joints are toe-nailed at an angle, and a nail gun makes this a lot easier. We need to include a doorway in this wall, so either side of it will install a pack stud or trimmer stud, which is 2 2x4s nailed together. One is the full wall height, and the other is the interior height of the door opening. When the 2 shorter pieces are positioned on the inside of the doorway, they can support the header at the top of the opening. In this case, because it's non-load bearing, that consists of 2 2x4s mounted on edge at either side. Above them, shorter studs will extend to the ceiling. At the bottom of the doorway, the bottom plate can now be cut out. The bottom side was partially cut before we installed the base so that we would not damage the flooring with the saw. With the framing complete, the drywall can be installed over the new studs. Following that, the seams are finished with joint compound before the base and crown molding are installed. Finally, the wall is ready to paint.